Hi everyone. Okay, I'm going to work out one example problem for you, and then you're going to have a few problems to do tonight for homework. These problems take quite a bit of time to do, so you're not going to have that many problems to work on. I'm going to do this middle problem right here. I have two missing sides, x and y, that I need to find out what they equal. And then I'm asked to find the perimeter of the whole figure, so I have to add up all the sides. So first, let's work on finding side x. X is a horizontal side. This side plus this side is going to add up to this whole side right here. So we take our whole side minus the other part that we're given, and that will give us x. So for x, we're going to take 6½ minus 3 2/3. Let's change everything to improper. So we get 13/2 minus 11/3. Remember, this minus sign goes up here and makes the 11 negative. So now do your butterfly method. When you multiply your denominators, we get 6. And let's multiply our wings. 3 times 13 is 39. 2 times negative 11 is negative 22. So when we combine 39 and a negative 22, we get 17. Change this to a mixed number. 6 can go into 17 2 times with 5 left over. So x is 2 5/6. Now to find y is our vertical side, so we look at our other two vertical pieces. We take the big piece minus the smaller piece. So 4 2/3 minus 2 3/4. Change these to improper. We have 14/3, 11/4, and I'm going to bring this minus sign right up here with my 11. Butterfly method. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 14 is 56. And 3 times negative 11 is negative 33. When you combine these, I'm running out of room, we get 23/12, which when we change that to a mixed number, it's 1 and 11/12. So now we found our missing pieces. And again, notice whenever we've got the big piece and we're trying to figure out the smaller piece, that's when we subtracted this side minus this side. You pick the sides that are all going the same direction. Now to find perimeter, we have to add up all of these fractions. This is where it's going to get a little longer in the things you have to do. First off, one easy way to do it is if you have fractions with the same denominators, then you can just add up all the whole numbers, then add up all the fractions. So you've got choices. You could change all of these denominators to being over 12, since 12 would be the common denominator, and then just add everything up and simplify. Or you can go piece by piece by piece. Whatever you want to do is fine with me. I think I may go ahead and change them all to a denominator of 12. So then this one's going to be 8/12. This side would be 9/12. This side would be 8/12. Up here we would get 6 and 6/12. And then my x would give me 2 and 10/12. So now we've got all these sides that if we add up will give us the perimeter. So I'm going to write it down over here. I've got 6 and 6/12 plus 1 and 11/12 plus 2 and 10/12 plus 2 and 9/12 plus 3 and 8/12 plus 4 and 8/12. Now let's add up our whole numbers. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9, another 2 is 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 4 is 18. So I know my whole numbers add up to 18. Since all my fractions already have a common denominator of 12, I just need to add up all of my numerators. So I've got 6 plus 11 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8, and then my final 8. And when you add that up, we get 52. Since right here we have an improper fraction, we're going to change it. 12 goes into 52 4 times with 4 left over. So we add our two whole numbers together. 18 plus 4 gives me 22. And 4/12. We can reduce this fraction to get my final perimeter is 22 and 1/3. I know this is a lot of work, but I also know you guys can do it if you take your time. Keep referring back to this. Notice how we found x and how we found y. Look at what we subtracted. The bigger piece minus the smaller piece. Then to find the perimeter, we changed everything to having a common denominator. I wrote them all down here. Here's all 6 of my sides. Add up all the whole numbers. Keep our denominator the same. Add up all of our numerators. Then we get 52 over 12 changes to 4 4/12. Add our whole numbers together and then simplify. Okay. I hope you guys understand this and do well on your homework. You will only have a few problems to do on your homework. I will see you later.